Hey there. Welcome to our guide on Instagram stories and the close friends feature. Today, we're diving into whether you can mention your close friends in your stories. First, let's talk about mentioning others in Instagram stories. You can easily tag friends in your regular stories, but what about your close friends list? Unfortunately, when you share a story with your close friends list, the mentioning feature has its limitations. Only those in your close friends group can see it. In regular Instagram stories, when you mention someone, everyone who views your story can see that mention and interact with it. However, in close friends stories, the mention is visible only to those you've included in your close friends list, creating a more exclusive sharing experience. Let's take a quick look at how to set up your close friends story. We'll guide you through it step by step. If you want to include friends who aren't on your close friends list, consider alternatives like direct messaging or creating a regular story. Here are a few tips to keep your close friends engaged. Ask questions, use polls, and be creative with your content. You've got questions, we've got answers. Let's cover some frequently asked questions about mentioning in close friend stories. In conclusion, while there are limitations to mentioning in close friend stories, there are still plenty of ways to creatively connect with your friends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own experiences in the comments below.